Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Another fortnight, another $1,000 into Denise's portfolio, almost up to $39,000. Let's see what she's bought this time. Alrighty then, let's get into it. So just a tick under $38,966.97. Now, according to our share application, that's not quite correct, that number there, but if we scroll down a little bit here, we'll find out why. We've got some warrants for Barramundi. We've got 76 cents there, and I think, there's another one there for Marlin Global. That's $20.14. Now, warrants, I did a bit of research on warrants, so basically, these particular companies are allowing you to buy stocks at a certain price because you've already invested in them. You can choose to take up the warrants or sell them or trade them or do nothing. So we're probably going to do nothing at this stage. So I'm not sure when these expire. So there's, well, almost $21 there. And basically that money will probably go back into the portfolio if we do nothing. So that's probably what we'll do. So we'll see what Denise has purchased this time, and she has purchased Summerset Holdings. $1,000 into Summerset Holdings. Good reason for that. Let's go and have a look at the portfolio. Today was a good day. It's up $138.52. It's steadily been going up this particular month. We're still $4,000 in the red. Never mind. Just over $4,000 in the red. This is episode 43, so in theory we should be up to 43,000, but we're not far away, and I'm pretty positive and pretty certain that this portfolio is going to catch up by the end of the year and we'll be break even again. So the good news about buying Summerset Holdings today was, in fact, the share price has gone up by over 1%, and that's good. So our $1,000 has, well, take the fees away, we've made $5.78. Great. Now that's enough money for a beautiful steak and cheese pie, if you're that way inclined, which I am. We've got $37.55 coming in dividends still to come for Turners at the end of the month. January not been a great month for dividends in New Zealand, but it all helps, so that'll be good. Let's go and have a look at the payment months now that we've added our additional Summerset Group Holdings Limited, so that pays out in March and also in September, generally speaking. So March is the one we're waiting for. February won't be paying out much in dividends, but March certainly will be, so we're looking forward to that. Now, on the quest to get rid of, well, limit the exposure to financial services, it's dropping down to just under 47% now. We'll still carry on investing in some of these other industries or sectors to drop down the exposure to financial services, but it's going to take quite a while. Let's go and have a look at the dividends now that we've finally moved into the new year and things are moving forward. So there's no dividends being paid yet. We're still exactly the same position that we were in the last video. That's okay. Now, in terms of the New Zealand 50 charts, it's been good. This month has been fantastic. In fact, the last 4 years, this is the second best month that we've ever had so far, and we're only 18 days into the new year. Who knows what will happen? Tomorrow it could just crash. Who knows? You got to go when the going's good, and that's what the going is good at the moment. So holding on to those investments and not selling them has been definitely a good move. And you can see the week has gone up, fortnight's gone up, the month has gone up in the last 30 odd days, and we're definitely on an upswing at the moment, which is good. So maybe we can get back up to where we were in January this time last year, where basically the market just did a big dump. Really, that's all there is to it. So we just got to carry on. We'll stick with what we've been doing, carry on investing $1,000 into this portfolio once every fortnight. Won't be too long, we'll be up to 40,000 and eventually halfway there at 50,000. All that to be revealed in future episodes. I'm pretty positive that this is going to be back into the black. Now, for those who don't know, in the black is good and in the red is bad. So we want to be in the black, definitely, with this portfolio. And another bonus here, we can go onto Simply Wall Street. Now, this is free. You can sign up for a plan. You get up to 5 companies that you can view, but it does give you some investing tips. Whether we want to take those tips or not is another story, but it gives you a good indication of what potentially are doing well. These are called Big Green Snowflakes, and it's based on the dividends that they pay out, the health of the company, all that sort of stuff. So the greener it is, generally speaking, the better it is. Some of them will be a bit red when you get down to the bottom of the New Zealand companies. So these potentially are the ones that we have not invested in, and for good reason, basically. So these are the ones that, generally speaking, are not paying out, or they've got no dividends, or they're not growing, or there's something wrong. So we're pretty much sticking to the ones at the top here in the green. So go and check out Simply Wall Street if you want to get another handle on New Zealand stocks and what they might be doing, and some of the recommendations that might be out there. That's about all the time we've got for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know what you're investing in, and we'll catch you in the next video. See you later.